Hey friends, today we're talking about the Chevy Impala. I've had several of these cars over the years and they've been great. You may find if you drive one of these it starts stalling, hesitating, or running rough. One of the common causes of that is a dirty throttle body. Now that's a simple solution. All you do is disconnect the air duct that connects to the throttle body from the air cleaner, start the engine, and spray some throttle body cleaner into that bore while the engine's running. And as the engine sucks that cleaner in, it's going to clean up that butterfly valve and the bore that surrounds it, and it's going to restore the airflow to the engine to help prevent some of these drivability problems. Now the product you want to use is called Throttle Body and Air Intake Cleaner. I put a link down in the description if you want to get some of this from Amazon. Stuff works real good, and it goes a long way. So after you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is clean your mass airflow sensor. Now this is a little device that's easy to service. It's just held to the air cleaner box with 2 screws. Remove those 2 screws, pull it out of the air cleaner box, and then spray it off with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. Now Gumout is a manufacturer of mass airflow sensor cleaner that is also available on Amazon. This is some good stuff, and it doesn't take a whole lot to do the job. So when you've got this thing in your hand and you're spraying the cleaner all over it, you want to focus your attention on the little sensing element down there where the green arrow is pointing at. That actually senses the airflow coming through the engine. And when it gets dirty and contaminated, it becomes less sensitive. So then the computer doesn't know how much fuel it's supposed to deliver. And as a result, the engine can stall, it can run rough, it can hesitate. So once you're done doing that, the third thing you're going to want to do is clean your fuel injectors. And that's the easiest to do, because all you got to do is get some of this fuel injector cleaner. This Techron injector cleaner by Chevron is excellent. And what you do there is you just dump it into the gas tank and then drive the car. And as you drive the vehicle through that tank of gas, your injectors get clean again. So in the process of doing all these cleanings, you may trigger some trouble codes and turn your check engine light on. Not to worry. Simple solution there is to clear the codes to turn off your check engine light, and you can easily do that with one of these little pocket scanners. This one's made by Autel. It's also available on Amazon for less than $40. And you can keep this thing in your glove box, so whenever your check engine light comes on, you can just plug it in, find out what your trouble code is, and save yourself a trip to the shop. So let's get your Impala running good again. These are great cars. They have excellent power, excellent fuel economy, and they're nice and roomy. And everybody can fix them, but here's the deal. If you can fix it yourself, why not? Try these 3 things right there in your own driveway and see if we can't get this Impala running good again, so you don't have to take it to the shop and pay diagnostic fees and labor time. So thanks for tuning into the channel. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care.